check! It's English O'Clock! Ang pag-aaral ng English upang madaling matutunan, bakit hindi natin simplihan? Halika! Manood at makinig sa English Teacher ni Juan! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, huwag kang matakot! I made learning English easy for you! Please like, comment, and subscribe. At pakishare mo na rin sa iba para marami pang mga Juan na gaya mo ang matuto. Hello there, Grade 7! Narito na naman ako for another English 7 learning journey. I bet you are all ready for today's discussion. Kaya naman, tara na at simulan na natin. Our target learning competency for this video is analyze how nonlinear text represent and or summarize the contents in a journalistic text. What do we mean by nonlinear text? Nonlinear text is a type of text that doesn't need to be read in order from start to finish. It uses visuals like charts, graphs, tables, or diagrams to present information, allowing readers to quickly find and focus on what they need. Now, let's draw connection between linear text and journalistic text. Nonlinear text such as charts, graphs, tables, diagrams, and flowcharts play a significant role in representing or summarizing the content of journalistic text by providing concise, visually engaging, and easily interpretable information. Here's an analysis of how they achieve this. Number 1. Simplification of complex information. Nonlinear text distill dense or complex data such as statistics, trends, or chronological events into simplified visual formats. For example, a bar graph can effectively summarize survey results that would otherwise require lengthy textual explanation. Number 2. Highlighting key points. Visual elements like bullet points or pie charts focus on the most relevant information, allowing readers to quickly grasp the main ideas. In journalistic text, they often complement the narrative by spotlighting critical facts or figures. 3. Enhancing comprehension. Nonlinear text break down information into digestible components. For instance, timelines provide chronological clarity for reporting events. Maps offer geographical context in coverage of global or local issues. This format improves reader understanding, especially for intricate topics. Number 4. Facilitating comparisons. Tables or comparative bar charts are useful in presenting side-by-side data, such as election results or economic indicators, enabling readers to easily compare and contrast information. Number 5. Engaging visual appeal. Nonlinear elements draw attention and sustain reader interest by varying the structure of a text-heavy article. Vibrant visuals or well-designed infographics make the content more engaging. 6. Supporting narrative with evidence. In journalistic text, nonlinear representations are often used to substantiate claims made in the article. For instance, a graph in a business report supports trends discussed in the main text, adding credibility to the narrative. Consider a journalistic article discussing climate change. Nonlinear text could include a line graph showing rising global temperatures over the decades, a pie chart illustrating the percentage of emissions by industry, and a map marking regions most affected by natural disasters. These elements complement the article by summarizing critical data, providing context, and ensuring that readers can quickly absorb key points without losing interest or clarity. Here's a sample journalistic text with the application of nonlinear text. The growing threat of climate change, a global perspective. The impacts of climate change are becoming increasingly evident as rising global temperatures, extreme weather events, and biodiversity loss continue to disrupt ecosystems and human livelihoods. Scientists have identified human activity, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, as the primary driver of these changes. Immediate action is required to mitigate the effects of this global crisis. Now, from this journalistic text, we will apply nonlinear text. First is a line graph showing the steady increase in global temperatures over the last 140 years, with a sharper rise post in 1980. Since 1880, average global temperatures have risen by 1.2 degrees Celsius, with 2020 being one of the highest years on record. The post-industrial revolution period shows the highest rate of increase, coinciding with heightened greenhouse gas emissions. Next is a pie chart dividing emissions into categories such as energy, industry, agriculture, transport, and others. Energy production is the largest contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, emphasizing the need for renewable energy solutions. The agricultural sector, often overlooked, contributes significantly due to methane emissions from livestock and rice production. And lastly, a world map highlighting regions most affected by natural disasters, such as hurricanes in the Atlantic, wildfires in Australia, and flooding in Southeast Asia. Low-lying countries in Southeast Asia are at significant risk due to rising sea levels. The Arctic and Sub-Saharan Africa are among the fastest warming regions globally.
So did you learn something today? Sure ako na hindi ka na nosebleed? If you want more of this video tutorial and learn English in a light speed, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-turn on ang notification button para updated ka sa mga bagong lessons. Ako ang teacher mo, ang English teacher ni Juan. Class dismissed! See ya!